Welcome to Unboxing Solutions, where we unwrap more than packages, we unwrap possibility. Every tool you see is chosen with care, purpose, and real-life use in mind. If what you create deserves to be opened, explored, and put to work, this is that space.
Yes. Thank you for staying with me right here on Refresh, Relax, Renew. And now it's time for Unbox Solutions with me. Now, this segment, it's about unboxing solutions, not spending mindlessly, not just buying things just to buy things, but to invest in solutions for our daily living to make sure that we have joy, we have peace, things flow in our lives, we're not stressing too much. So we want to make sure we're prioritizing those things that bring us solutions, all right. Making sure we're making the right investments, invest in our joy, invest in our contentment, invest in the well-being and the welfare of those we love. All right, so today I'm actually unboxing something I bought for myself and something I bought for someone. They asked me to get it for them, so I decided to get it as a gift for them. Okay, so two things I'm unboxing. So let me share with you first what these two things are. So I bought me one of the DJI Osmo mobile stabilizer for my phone. So when I'm recording myself, so it's like a what do you call it, the phone stick? Yes, so here it is right here. Right, so this is what I bought. I really like it. It works. It's not on right now, it's off, but I really like it and it works perfectly. And this is detachable. It's magnetic, so you can put the phone on it without this, right? See, it's magnetic. But I'm gonna go to where I open it and everything. So this is what I unboxed. And the other thing that I unboxed, I just want to show it to you, and then we go through it. The other thing that I unboxed, all right, so I bought this for someone. She calls me Sister Sweetheart. She's so precious, a precious person in my life who helps me. She's a part of my support system, and yeah, so she wanted this, so I got it for her as a gift. So when next I see her, I'm gonna gift it to her. Yeah, because she was inquiring about it. Anyway, so this is what you call the New Seal Vaginal Probiotics for women, pH balance for women, feminine balance gummies. Women's probiotic vaginal vitamin supplement, improve immune, promote vaginal health, and it has 60 gummies in there, 30 servings. I guess that is 2 at a time. All right, so now we're going to go to the actual video. So that's me unboxing it, right? Where I do my workouts. Yeah, I'm actually unboxing it on the treadmill. Yeah, really, why I chose this spot, I wanted you to see, believe in yourself. It's really the message I was thinking of more than anything. But yeah, so there we go. I love the sound of opening the box, the popping. I love ASMR. I am an ASMR artist, so yeah. There we go. There they are. Yeah, and that's the probiotics that I spoke about, the Vaginal Health product. Vaginal Health Gummies is what it's called. Yeah, she had sent me a picture with a red packet, but they didn't have it when I was buying it. And now that now is this. So what you saw just now before that was this, and now you're seeing me open this. Really love it. I love it. Yeah, it's perfect and it's handy. You can put it in your purse. Very handy. I really like it. And it moves with you, right? It follows you. So that's why I like it. Yeah, because I vlog. So, yeah. All right, there we go. See how it's so compact? It's really small, but and it has a stand. Well, you'll see it when it opens. Yeah, that's the plug. I think is that a plug? No, I think that's the thing to put the phone in. That's the manual. Right, that's the manual. Oh, remember to always check your box. Always make sure nothing is left in the box. Once I throw away things before and I just don't take that risk anymore. I don't take that risk anymore. So I always make sure I empty my boxes. Yes. Right. So that is it. Empty. Now we can dump it now that it's empty. Okay. Yeah. Right, so now I'm going to show you. I'm going to open it up so you can see how it works. That's the manual. Yeah. I don't like to read manuals. I like to just explore things and just check it and figure it out as I go along. But another lesson I've also learned, check the manual. You don't have to use the manual when you're doing the setup or whatever, but it's important to even just browse through it, see what they're trying to tell you about the product. Like I said, it's difficult for me to do that because I like the unknown. I like to explore something I don't know, and once I know about it, it's like I lose interest. But it's very important, especially when it comes to equipment that you invest in and stuff like that. You want to at least browse it to have an idea of what you're supposed to do. Yeah, so that's the manual that comes with it. Very detailed. Yeah, I know this is the actual thing I'm opening. There we go. Yeah. There it is. So you can see it better than I was showing you. So that's it. Very just easily, you can easily put it in, and it easily fits in your handbag, but it's still when you extend it right, it's tall. So that's when I turn it on. Yeah. So it follows you. Yeah. There we go. There we go. I haven't set it up or anything yet. I just turned it on and that was it. And that's the stand, so you can actually extend. I love it. I love how compact it is, and then you can just extend it out, so you can carry it around easily. Yeah, because one of the things with me, when it comes to vlogging, oftentimes I don't carry stands with me. I don't carry like the sticks and stuff with me because for me, they just seem so cumbersome to me. But this, I like this because it's handy and cute. Yes, and so this now is the part that you use to hold the phone. Yeah. And what I like about this again is with this one, I didn't have to take off my phone case. And I like the fact that it has magnetic, it has the magnetic thing. So you can put the phone on the magnet if you want without putting it into this thing. But look, see, there you go. Yeah, see? Magnetic. Which means that your phone should be able to hold on there as well. There we go. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I love it. And that's the plug, the charger for it. Yeah. And the price is that it wasn't expensive either. For this, for the gummies, I pay like $7.99. Tax would have been added later. And then for the, and I showed you. And then for this, I paid $89 for the phone stabilizer, portable stabilizer, the tripod, the built-in tripod portable stabilizer. It's $89, and then I had to pay for shipping. The shipping was $24.43 because it ships to Jamaica. So yeah, that was what I paid for it. And I don't know, for me, it's worth it. I like it. I like it a lot. And I know I'll be using it because sometimes I buy stuff that I don't use because after I buy it, I might not like it. But anything I do not use, I do not post on my Amazon shop. I don't post it there. The only things I post there. So if you want to know the things that actually work, that I think is good for people to have if they really have the need for it, remember, I only say if you have the need for it. Then those things that I purchased myself that I liked, I enjoyed, and they came in good form, and I didn't have any issues with them, I post those things on my Amazon shop storefront. And the link is in the scroll right here. It's amazon.com / shop / UME radio. Yes, I post them there. So this is the thing that I purchased. I really, really love it. It's very, very handy. It is something I'll definitely be using, and I've already started to use it because I like it. I like how it works. And it's not that because I have other tripods, but it's not the other tripods I have, I use at home. I don't use them out. I use them at home, right? What I like about this one is that this is something I will use at home. Sorry, I mean, I will use when I go out because I really like it. So it solves the issue of when I'm on the street and I'm filming, I have something, because I usually just use my hand to hold the camera, because I don't usually carry the other tripods around because of, sometimes they just seem too cumbersome, just seem too much. And I like that this can just fit into my bag. It fits into my bag and I don't have too many things walking around with. And also, I don't know, I just kind of feel like if I take this out, it won't feel as it just won't feel so, oh my gosh, there's a camera out, like it's just easier and it's following me, and it moves with the face, things like that. So I love that about it. But anyway, I hope you liked that. That's the end of our unboxing for today. And my tip for today is, make sure when you're investing, you invest in things that actually bring you solutions. Make sure that when you're unboxing your package, that you remove, before you throw it away, you remove your personal information. And whether you shred it or whatever, but you need to get rid of your personal information before you dump the box. And you also need to make sure that when you are opening your package, for me, sometimes what I do is I sanitize the box first before I put it anywhere, or I'm selective about where I open the box, because remember, the box travel different places, different people, and always wash your hands afterwards and stuff like that. So it's just a mindfulness approach. Just be mindful when you're unboxing. It is my hope that this was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching Unbox Solutions with me. It's now time for us to go to our next segment. Let's go.
New York, November 2025. No narration, just sounds. This docuseries captures fragments of my time in New York. What I noticed, where I paused, what stayed with me, unfiltered, unrushed. Presence over performance. Premiering exclusively on YouTube at My Coach Ministry.
I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Raquel, and it is a passion project for me, so I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.